Greetings and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. We're going to show you what I call one of the nicest tribute cars we've had in a long time. See you in a minute. Greetings and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. The word tribute is what we like to use when we find a car that is extremely well done, isn't the real McCoy simply because they only made 7 of these particular cars, a 1969 Pontiac Trans Am convertible. The real ones bring over $1 million, so what we have here is an extremely well done tribute, as we call them. It has all the bells and whistles that would have made this a Trans Am. They were all this color with the blue stripes. It's got the 400 in this particular car, and this car has great history. Yes, it was actually built in the California plant. We have all the paperwork, history from new on this car. It was restored to the nth degree. Extremely nice body, rust-free, everything done. I took this thing for a little test drive the other day, and I'll tell you what, everything works. It's got the 4-speed, which of course is really nice, power steering. One of my favorites of these cars is it has the factory hood tack that actually works, and it's really, really fun thing to do. Beautiful black interior in this car with a black top. But like I said, it's got all the things that would have come if this was a real Trans Am for 1969. I mean, that would have the Ram Air hood. It would have the correct rally wheels for this car. The rear spoiler, of course, is another thing. Just an extremely nice car. One you can jump in, drive any place you want to go to the local car show. I can guarantee you they probably won't have another one there, nor will they ever see one, probably in all likeliness, of the original 7. So we have this available right here at Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Please visit our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channels as well, so you can take a look at the startup of the engine and everything else. Like I said, I took it for a nice drive. It is a wonderful car. If you want to come and look at it in person, we are here Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Come and see it in person if you'd like. Love to hear from you. Go to our website because we have almost 100 cars also out there available. But this happens to be one of our newest additions. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.